Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to retrieve a PNR. The retrieve PNR transaction is used to retrieve and display an active PNR or to redisplay a PNR during the current session. PNR retrieval is subject to security rules that vary depending on who requests retrieval and what entry is used. To retrieve a PNR, the most commonly used methods are either searching for its record locator or by using the name of passenger. Let's see how to retrieve PNR by record locator. A few days ago, we created a PNR for our passenger Mr. Amir Khan. To retrieve Mr. Amir's PNR using a record locator, the transaction code is RT followed by the record locator Tango Yankee Lima Bravo Walk Yankee. PNR is now displayed. A PNR remains active for 3 days after the last date of departure in the itinerary, even the itinerary has been cancelled. If your PNR is open and then you visit another screen like display availability, you can return to displayed PNR by entering transaction RT. Now you back to the retrieved PNR. Retrieve a PNR by passenger full name. You can also retrieve the PNR by using passenger name. To do this, enter transaction RT / Khan passenger family name or surname / Abid first name or given name to refine the result. System displays the PNRs as entered data. Retrieve a PNR by surname. You can also retrieve a PNR by passenger's surname or family name. To do this, RT transaction / Khan surname or family name similar name list displayed. For example, our required PNR on line number 4 in displayed list. To retrieve, enter RT transaction followed by 4. Our required PNR open and displayed on our screen. If you want to return to the previous displayed list of PNRs, you can enter transaction RT followed by 0. And that's it. You have just learned how to retrieve PNR. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.